Alright, now today we're going to unbox our Mevotech Terrain Tough product line outer tie rod ends, and these are for, I think I ordered them for 2001 F-150. I plan to use them on my Pathfinder, and it's a pretty neat product. I think most of it's just like colors and marketing in a nice box, but I think it is, or at least appears to, once you look at it, be better than standard tie rod ends, and I think they're like 30 bucks a piece, so I went with these over the Moog. And let's see if I made a good call or bad call. Of course, we won't know till we run them, but what's in the box? So we have a tie rod end, and it's got a little plastic protector that goes over the boot. Pretty hefty nut, castle nut, and locking pin. It also has a nice grease fitting with a cap over the grease fitting to keep junk off your grease fitting. And we'll look at one that's been opened already, so you can kind of see what I'm doing with it. Is I'm going to use a F-150 outer tie rod end with a 2-wheel drive hard body adjuster on my 4-wheel drive Pathfinder to hopefully strengthen up the steering a bit. Now the lower boot is sealed to the tie rod end. It just kind of looks like it's glued in there, and that's not coming off or letting water in. The upper part of the tie rod end boot has a like a metal spring tension type ring on it, and it's got this pretty sweet and green coating and green boot, so it kind of has that military feel to it, or overland bro, if you will. And then there's a little rubber plug that you can pull out to insert your grease fitting. On Mevotech's website, they're advertised as having a metal bushing, as opposed to some of the cheaper tie rod ends which have plastic garbage. So yeah, that's what's in the box, and it looks pretty solid, so I'm excited to run them and see how long it takes to kill them, because I certainly will kill them, if not just through age, through soaking them in water and not re-greasing them properly like I need to. So I seem to kill most suspension parts. So that's a lot of fun. If you're using these on a Nissan hardbody, you need to order the left-hand side tie rod ends, because those actually have the counterclockwise threads that you need with your adjusters. Because on Ford, the left and right outer tie rod ends, I think right's clockwise threads, left's counterclockwise, and on Nissans it's just an outer, and they're the same size, they're the same threads on either side. So it's kind of goofy. So yeah, that's what's in the box, and hopefully this sheds some insight if you're looking to purchase Mevotech's Terrain Tough line. This is not a paid advertisement. I just saw them on Rock Auto and didn't do any research at all, and thought, maybe somebody will be interested in what's in the box. So there you go.